So, you're excited about crypto and the financial freedom it promises. But you're also terrified you could lose everything to a sophisticated scam or just one wrong click. Trust me, you're not alone. In 2024, Americans lost an estimated £9.3 billion to crypto fraud, a jaw-dropping 66% jump from the year before. Globally, scam losses hit £4.6 billion. In this video, I'll give you a simple blueprint to stop that fear cold and secure your digital assets like a pro. That fear, it's the wall between you and the real opportunities in crypto. The difference between being a victim and a confident investor comes down to just two things: locking down your assets and spotting scams instantly. Let's start with wallet security. Leaving your crypto on an exchange? That's like leaving gold at the pawn shop. You don't own it. The exchange does. They can be hacked, go bankrupt, or freeze your account. Step 1. Move your funds into a self-custody wallet. Think of a hot wallet like your real-life wallet. It's convenient but exposed online. Great for spending, terrible for savings. A cold wallet, like a hardware wallet, is your digital vault, offline, secure, controlled by you. Get a reputable hardware wallet. Easy to set up, incredibly secure. When you do, you'll receive a seed phrase, a 12 or 24-word master key. Important, never store that phrase online. No screenshots, no cloud, no text files. Write your seed phrase down or etch it into steel and store it in a safe, offline place. Treat it like the keys to your kingdom. Lose it, and you lose everything. Now let's build your scam radar. Scammers can't hack hardware wallets, so they try to hack you with emotion. They prey on greed, fear, and urgency. You'll see this on X and YouTube. Send 1 ETH, get 10 back. It's always fake. Vitalik is not giving you free crypto. Red flags, new accounts, too good to be true offers. Anyone asking you to send first. That email saying your wallet is frozen, fake. Phishing links mimic trusted platforms like MetaMask or Coinbase. Rule: never click links in emails or DMs. Go directly to the official site. DeFi users, beware of token approvals. One wrong click and a scam contract could get unlimited access to your funds. Solution? Revoke old permissions regularly using tools like Etherscan. Let's recap your crypto safety blueprint. Get your crypto off exchanges. Use a hardware wallet. Store your seed phrase offline. Never trust DMs or email links. Revoke smart contract access monthly. If this video gave you confidence and clarity, hit like and subscribe. Your first step: look up a reputable hardware wallet and make that investment in your safety today. Crypto security isn't about avoiding all risk. It's about owning your responsibility and protecting your future. By following these steps, you've just stepped into the 1% who actually control their digital wealth. Stay smart, stay sovereign. You've got this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more crypto safety tips and updates.